Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo F21 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter password and security. Now go to lock screen password, confirm and enter numeric. We've got three types of numeric passwords. One is 6-digit, then 4-digit and 4 to 16-digit. Let's stick with the 6-digit because basically they are the same but with different length. So let's set 6-digit password and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select alphanumeric and type your password containing 4 to 16 digits and letters. Also, let's use it to unlock the phone. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now let's go back and enter face unlock. Confirm. Let's erase the data and add new face. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is fingerprint. Add a fingerprint and simply scan it on the sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times. Sorry, my fingerprint is already scanned, so let's delete it and let's try again. So scan the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust fingerprint position. And now simply scan your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.